Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share how actually our DAB plus radio system is working in our head unit system. So this one already fit everything, antenna, modules and software and loading, and currently we are using it at our location, which normally is very terrible for the DAB plus signals. I still remember that just about few months ago, something like about 4-6 months, we had to drive out to around 1-2 kilometers toward the city, further that way, and we can get the signal. But at this point, we have very strong signal here for the DAB plus, and it can scan several channels right in our location, which is something a bit of big surprise. And I believe that Sydney DAB plus network already been improved and upgraded quite a lot with more routers for the system, and at this moment we can enjoy full signal right in our place with DAB plus, digital radio, and that's really awesome. So this one is a Toyota RAV4 2016, and if you remember that this one is the one that we actually replaced the factory amplifier with the new amplifier and subwoofer from Pioneer, and this one now is already been done with everything that the owner really wished for and we want for. And you can see that the reverse camera is also at the very optimal level with the dynamic steering wheel guide light and the guide light on the screen. So it's something very easy to use, and full setup of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But in this video we would like to focus on really it is about the system here that has radio, digital radio, and it has plenty of channel that it scan and it found. Okay, so many digital radio system that it found here, so that's awesome kids, and yep. So that's what we found from the system that we have, and it can help you to enjoy so many different digital radio channel. A lot, I could see a lot, I couldn't count it, a lot of them. Okay, and that's really what we need to have. So yep, if you want to have the digital radio system, we are happy to tell that at this moment Sydney digital radio network is significantly improved to compare with the few years back, or just compare with about 6 months backward. The signal now is much better. Okay, so thanks again and see you then on the next one.